Hi, I am Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Munoli, a consultant neurosurgeon working at Medicover Hospital, Chandanagar branch. I have been associated with Medicover Group since it started its operations in the Chandanagar branch. Here in Chandanagar branch, we have a group of neurologists and neurosurgeons who have a vast experience in managing wide variety of neurological conditions that are associated with brain and spine. Here in Chandanagar branch, we treat or manage the patients who have neurological disorders, to name a few. So patients who have head injury, we are managing here, patients with brain tumors, patients with intracranial hemorrhages which are secondary to either hypertension or trauma. We are managing patients with epilepsy, we manage patients with stroke which occurs secondary to a clot within the blood vessels leading to damage to the brain, or it can be due to hemorrhage secondary to the hypertension. We are also managing the patients with the spine disorders, those who have neck pain, back pain, so who gets diagnosed with the prolapsed disc or listhesis in the form of slippage of one vertebral body over the adjacent vertebral body, and also spondylosis. So these are the very common neurological disorders which we regularly come across. Apart from this, very complex neurovascular conditions and pituitary tumors are also dealt with here in Chandanagar branch of Medicover Hospital. So taking into account the variety of neurological conditions, we evaluate the patient thoroughly, and depending upon the need of that particular patient and the diagnosis, we manage the patients of neurological disorders either conservatively or surgically. Conservatively in the form of medications, physiotherapy, lifestyle modifications, and surgically in the form of surgery operations performed over the brain or the spine. Operations over the brain in the form of, we do craniotomy, that is open the skull, we remove a tumor in the brain or a hemorrhage within the brain parenchyma. Operations over the spine in the form of removing apart the bone of the spine and removing the prolapsed disc, and even in listhesis patients where there is instability of one vertebra over the other, we perform fixation of the spine in the form of screws and rods. So as everybody is aware, the management of neurological and neurosurgical patients requires technologically advanced state of the art intensive care units as well as modular OTs. As everyone is aware, neurological and neurosurgical patients require state of the art technologically advanced modular operation theatres to perform the surgeries on the brain and the spine, and they need a state of the art intensive care unit to provide better outcome. So the Medicover Hospital at Chandanagar branch, it has got both modular operation theatres as well as state of the art technologically advanced intensive care unit. To enhance the outcome of patients with neurological and neurosurgical disorders and also to manage them in the post-operative period, we have a vast experienced critical care doctors, a paramedical staff and physiotherapists and dietitians who are very well experienced to manage the neurological patients. So to summarize, the patients with neurological and neurosurgical disorders will receive the best possible management modalities here in Medicover Hospital, Chandanagar branch. Thank you.